It's going to move across the county border over into Mercer County. This on the inside, what we're looking at is the velocity, and where you see those brighter pinks and greens sort of coming together, that's the area of rotation. So that's going to move. It's past Willisburg, so it's over along, at this point, probably about 10 miles off to the east of Willisburg. Gate-to-gate shear, not all that impressive on that scan, but nonetheless, we do see the rotation showing up on radar. Let me show you, because we do have additional warnings to talk about in addition to the severe thunderstorm and tornado warning that you see on the screen. I'll point out a couple of things. First of all, when we look across the entire area, much of the region is storm-free and will remain outside of severe weather. So here's the current view from downtown Louisville, where we do have rain falling, but no severe weather at this point. These are the watches that we have in place. Much of the western part of this already allowed to expire. For us in Louisville and along I-65 points to the east, a severe thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock. Here's the latest radar view with the warnings overlaid. Again, the tornado warning just about to move out of Washington County over into Mercer County. That warning is until 7:15. Additional showers and thunderstorms behind that initial line will produce rain, but not severe weather. We'll go in a little closer. We've been watching storms moving over Capital City near Frankfort. Those are no longer severe. We did have some hail with those storms. Tornado warning continues until 7:15, along with the severe thunderstorm warning that surrounds that region, again off to the east of Willisburg, pushing across the county line within just a couple of minutes. Again, it's radar indicated, but we do see that on radar, where we do have at least some of that rotation showing up. Let me go into our tools, and I'm just going to point out the velocity that we have on this, because both the velocity and the hail have been impressive with this storm. On to the south, you'll note that we don't have a whole lot going as far as rotation is concerned, but some strong winds possible. That's moving out of our area, Boyle, Girard, Jessamine counties. Let me go back up to the north, and as we drag the radar back up, you'll see that thunderstorm and tornado warning moving out of part of Adair County, or excuse me, moving on into Mercer County, moving out of Washington County, is causing at least some potential for hail and rotation. Ryan, if you'll move the radar back up for me, I'd appreciate it. We have had some large hail reports coming out of Radcliffe and Cox's Creek. So I'll go back to the radar view and show you that this storm now crossing over. I want to look at the velocity on that. Inside that, as it crosses over the county line, we'll point out that with that, we do see the rotation showing up, but it's now right along the county line, moving across the Washington-Mercer County line. And we're going to overlay that velocity on top of this so you can see right there it is. And that's moving over. So folks that may be viewing on the cable system in Mercer County, Lexington's going to be the station you need to turn to so you can keep up with this. But as far as Washington County is concerned, which is in our coverage area, the threat is now ending as it moves on out of the county area. Okay, so we've gotten you past that storm, and we do see that Willisburg still seeing some heavy rain, but the notch and the rotation is now over into Mercer County, and that's the area that's concern. So that's something we'll keep watching as it moves to the east. But in general, that trend that the severe weather threat would be ending will be continuing as we progress through the next couple of hours here. So rain continues, yes, but the threat of severe weather is coming to an end. Connie, Dawn, we'll toss it back over to you guys, but should we need to break back in for any reason, most of these storms are exiting our viewing area. That was a temporary tornado warning as it moved out of Washington and over into Mercer County.
All right, Kevin, we know you all have an eye on it, but we've said this time and time again, with the threat of severe weather, now's the perfect time to make sure that you download the Wave 3 weather app. It features live radar, hour-by-hour forecast. You can get it right now free on your smartphone's app store. And we've also reminded you, make sure you have your plans for a safe place already in place. Well, many in Bullitt County are mourning the death of an